Hi, my name's Paul Clifford and I work for Lucas Restaurants as the head of technical services. And I've been in IT now for 36 years. Lucas Restaurants is a leading Melbourne restaurateur business with restaurants in Sydney, Melbourne and Canberra presently, and a pop-up in Geelong. The company is 2,000 to 3,000 employees, featuring mainly corporate staff and majority of front and back of house staff. My IT team consists of 5 people, myself and 3 on-premise and 1 that works off-site on my web development and websites. The infrastructure in Lucas Restaurants is hybrid, so we have 60% on-prem and 40% either in cloud or in data center. Lucas Restaurants is a very fast and evolving business where we're currently in the process of opening many new restaurants. At a time where cost of living and struggles within the general people is causing businesses and other restaurants to close, we're certainly spearheading and leading the movement in opening new restaurants. Part of my job in the business is to ensure that we can keep moving at this very fast pace. And because of that, one of my main pain points is basically making sure that when tickets or users are dealing with issues, they're dealt with very fast. We're not a restaurant business where we can afford to wait a day or longer. So that's one of my specific pain points. There was also another pain point where our patch management was at the wrath of Microsoft, I suppose, and waiting for the patch Tuesdays to come around. So because of that and the amount of time it takes when you've got 600 plus endpoints, we implemented Endpoint in the business to help manage and automate the patching and the process of keeping machines up to date. When I think of ManageEngine, the top 3 things that come to mind for me is trust is my number 1, reliability and support. I think for me, something that sets ManageEngine apart from the rest is the customizable nature of the products and the fact that I can make them work exactly how I need them to work. ManageEngine, since I've implemented the products at my company, has certainly saved me a lot of money and time. And time is money. And having the efficiencies of the products put in place has enabled and freed up many hours. And I'm sorry I can't quantify exactly how many, but lots and lots of hours in terms of how it's freeing up time of my team to go on to do other tasks. The user experience for ManageEngine for myself and within the company is fantastic. I actually not only have implemented ManageEngine for my technical team, but for our facilities management, for HR, food and beverages teams. Using endpoint management has been fantastic for me. A specific project and task that I utilised that for was early this year is removing all of the Windows 10 machines in the organisation and having the product help me either replace hardware or upgrade hardware where it was compatible to Windows 11 prior to our September deadline where it will no longer be supported in the enterprise. My device security using Endpoint has improved. Previously, before the product implementation, I was relying on Microsoft to do its monthly patches and keep Windows machines up to date. Now with Endpoint, it's monitored daily by my team and automated to the point where any secure, important or critical security patches are applied automatically without my team even being aware. So that's a very good thing. So within ServiceDesk Plus, initially when I deployed that product only, I was using asset management within the product. I, however, use asset management now within Endpoint, and Endpoint is integrated to ServiceDesk so that the assets that Endpoint picks up is shared into ServiceDesk. And then using the custom scripting facilities in ServiceDesk, I can automatically assign the asset to the user. It's been a pleasure using ManageEngine, and I'm a very long time user. Coming from your first user conference in Australia in 2003, I believe, and some 40 users, and you've come a long way, and it's good to be part of that journey, and it's exciting to see where things are going. I would certainly recommend ManageEngine products to other IT industry and other industries in general. Certainly I would recommend it because it's a product that I trust and I can rely on, and it's very, very beneficial to my team and to the company.